Want to shop some top quality fashion products but can't log into your Shein account? Well, you've clicked on the perfect video. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can reset your password on your Shein account. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. Firstly, on your device, open up the Shein app. Now, once the Shein app is open on your device, click on the Me option on the bottom right corner of your screen. After the Me page of the Shein app opens, click on the Sign In/Register on the top of your screen. Now, to reset your password, tap on the Forgot Your Password option directly below the place where you fill your password. After you tap on the Forgot Your Password option, a tab will open up on your screen. Then, you need to fill in your email address on the required space. After you've filled in your correct email address, click on Submit. Once you click on the Submit button, and if your email address is correct, a link will be sent to you on your email. Now you will need to open up your email, click on the reset link and reset your password. I hope this video helped you to reset your password on the Shein app. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.